Begum Hasan Mahal, she was the wife of Nawab. Nawab Wajid Ali, who died. And his son, 11-year-old son, was to take over as Nawab. In this place, the Begum took over. There's a story behind Begum Hasan Mahal. You know, she was bribed by the British. British had bribed many princely people. They got some money and got the favors. They tried to say with Begum Hasan Mahal also. She said, no, I don't want your money. She left the place. Went to Dewa. I cannot live in India. I won't suffer British anybody. She died in the wonderful lady. So, look over there. Now the 12th question, for the second round. Who was the last independent Nawab of Bengal? Who was the last independent Nawab of Bengal? Their options are Siraj Dowla, B. Mir Qasim, C. Mir Jafar, and D. Shahid Dowla. Siraj Dowla, Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar, and Shahid Dowla. Who was the last Nawab of Bengal? The guy is starting now.
Option C. Option C.
I couldn't get you more than everything.
Option C.
Option C. Real job. Away says this is down. Very close to the answer. Which job was the right hand of the answer? With the right hand of the answer. But he rebelled. But he rebelled against the Nawab. Still the answer is not come towards the God. Bima House. Question was to Bima House.
Sir, option A, sir. Option E.
So,
Option E. Sirajuddin. Dunha.
I'm afraid your answer is okay. Sorry. First answer.
Mir Qasim.
Huh?
Mir Qasim.
All three answers are wrong. Correct answer is Siraj Dowla. You said? But I couldn't hear what you said. You don't get it. I told you, open up, speak properly. Otherwise, you don't have to do it. No problem. Now, 13th question. 13th question. The second round. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement is started in 1930. Where from did he start it? This is the question. The options are A. Sevagram, B. Dandi, C. Sabarmati, D. Wardha. Where from did he start the civil disobedience movement? Question once again goes to Bhima. Your time starts now, Bhima House. Your time starts now.
Sir, option C, Sabarmati.
Option
C.
B,
C,
Sabarmati.
C, Sabarmati.
Option C,
Sabarmati.
Sabarmati. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Radhika wants to give a different answer. No. Option C, Sabarmati. Well, the option C, Sabarmati is the right answer. Bhima House. Bhima House gets prize. 15th question. The 15th question is a very big. Next 2-3 questions are from films. They are from films on Gandhi. The film Gandhi, the film Gandhi, sorry, the making of the Mahatma. The making of the Mahatma has been directed by options. Option A, Meera Nair, great director. Option B, Shyam Benegal, great director. Option C, Richard Attenborough, great British director. Or fourth, C, Ben Kingsley. Ben Kingsley. Who directed the film The Making of Mahatma? The time starts now. The chance for Bhima House.
Sir, option C.
Sorry,
Option C.
Krishna House.
Option C.
Option
C.
C, A, B, C, D.
C. C, sir.
You are saying E.
C, C. C.
C, Richard Attenborough. Say that fully. C, Richard Attenborough.
C. Richard Attenborough.
He has fished out quite a bit to get the answer. But I am afraid the answer is wrong. I am afraid the answer is wrong. Question passes to Tungabhadra.
Option D, Ben Kingsley.
Ben Kingsley. Oh, it was a guess, wrong guess. Sorry, the question answer is wrong. The last one,
Option B.
option B,
Shyam Benegal.
Shyam Benegal is the right answer. Option B, Shyam Benegal is the right answer. Great Bengali director. So, Kaveri House got 1 point. Next one is the film Gandhi. The film Gandhi was produced by in 1982. The film was very, very popular. It ran into packed houses for many months. The wonderful film Gandhi. It was directed by or produced by options Satyajit Ray, our Indian great director, Richard Attenborough, British, N.C. Sibi, who has done many nice, beautiful films, and Tom Taylor. The 4 options. The chances for Tungabhadra House again.
Option B, Richard Attenborough.
Option B, Richard Attenborough.
Yes, sir.
Very big name, Richard Attenborough. Why should we select such a big name? Yes? Okay. Richard Attenborough is the correct answer. The most famous film and the most famous director. 16th question, again on film Gandhi. 16th question is again on film Gandhi. Very beautiful question. Who acted as Gandhi in the film Gandhi? Who acted as Gandhi in the film Gandhi? No hissing, no prompting, no prompting. If you prompt, I'll send you out. That's all. Who acted as Gandhi in the film Gandhi? Kaveri. The choices are Shyam Benegal, Ben Kingsley, C. Richard Attenborough, and D. Peter Ustinov. I want 10% silence.
Sir, option B, Ben Kingsley.
Pardon?
Option B,
Option B,
Ben Kingsley.
Ben Kingsley. Oh. He says option B, Ben Kingsley. If you had said Peter Ustinov, you have gone wrong. He's one of the greatest actors. Peter Ustinov acted in that great film Quo Vadis, Whither Thou Goest. What a beautiful film. Peter Ustinov was there. And from whom that great power came. When Rome burned, someone sang, someone played music. Nero played music when Rome burned. Came from that film Quo Vadis. Peter Ustinov was the star attraction of the film. But you would have been wrong for this. Shyam Benegal, of course, wonderful director, Indian director, Bengali director. But for this question, you would have been wrong. Then Richard Attenborough and Ben Kingsley are there. Attenborough is a director, not actor. So the answer, Ben Kingsley, is the correct answer. I told you in the beginning, it's a game. A game should be reasoned out. You should reason out the game, how this can be, how this can be. Then only you will get the correct answer. Ben Kingsley. The position is like this. Krishna House. Not yet opened the account. Krishna House hasn't opened the account. Bhima, 5 points. Kaveri, 6 points. Tungabhadra, 10 points. So 2 rounds are finished. 2 more rounds are there. We'll go a little late. So I'll speed up a little. The 17th question is already there. 17th question, number 18 is written there, the 17th, okay. The question is on 2 portraits. You'll find 2 portraits there. You'll find, you have to identify the personality in the picture who sits with Gandhiji. 2 portraits, one is Gandhiji. You have to identify the second person who is sitting with him. Not coming. Both are there now. Both are there now. The question goes to Krishna House. No? Bhima House. Bhima House. Team C. Who is the person next to Gandhi? Identify the personality of the picture who sits with Gandhi. Passes over to Krishna. Question passes over to Krishna.
Mountbatten.
What do you say?
Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten.
Are you very sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you very sure? I am afraid you are wrong. Question passes to Tungabhadra. Yes?
Stafford Cripps. Lillington.
Question?
Lord Lillington.
Question number and the option number?
No options.
I don't understand anything what you are saying.
Lord Lily. Lord
Take away
Lilitho.
that boy. I say now.
Lord Lilitho.
Lord
Lilitho. Lilitho.
Lingdo. Lord Lingdo. I'm afraid you're wrong. Afraid you're wrong. One more chance. Kaveri.
Lord Babel.
Lord,
Babel.
I'm afraid you are again wrong. Now the answer you know. You know the answer. The only one left is Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin. 18th question.
Options are not there, sir.
Sama?
Options are not there, sir.
Oh, doesn't matter. Option is not there. Doesn't matter. Let them identify. 18th question. Identify the personality who looks amused at Gandhi's remark. You can see. Mahatma Gandhi makes a remark and the personality sitting next to him feels highly amused. He feels highly amused. You can see. Who is the personality who feels highly amused at Mahatmaji's remark? The options are not there. You have to judge and say. Who stands next? Who stands next? Yours. Krishna House. Krishna House. Time.
Sir, Lord Mountbatten.
Huh?
Lord Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten is the correct answer. Excellent. That's the correct answer. I'm happy Krishna House gets a point. It's a good thing. They got a point. Otherwise they had not opened the account. Now they are able to get a point. Now next question again is in a picture. But you will not see the picture in full. I'll give you only part of the picture. If you answer, you will get 5 points. Then I will give you a lifesaver, another part of the picture. If you answer, you will get 3 points. A third part also given, you give the answer, you get 1 mark. Fourth, of course, only 4 parts are there. So the first part, the face of a person, individual, divided into 4 parts. 1 part you will see there first. The question goes to Tungabhadra. Yes, there's the first part. No, let your time start. Time starts now. Discuss.
Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Let us show the second part also. Let us show the second part also. You are sure? And the third part also. Quite clear? Yes, sir. And the last part? Yeah. So, Tungabhadra House has answered it very well. It's a difficult question. Tungabhadra, they have learned a poem by Sarojini Naidu. That's the reason. Able to find out. See? It's a good answer. Sarojini Naidu, the first Governor General of Uttar Pradesh after independence, great freedom fighter, poet, freedom fighter. She fought through literature. Sarojini Naidu. There's one more, next one. One more is a 21. Part of the famous freedom fighters given here, identify the personality. Goes to Kaveri House. One part is given there. No, nobody. Kaveri House. Your time starts now.
Chandrasekhar Azad.
Excellent answer, Chandrasekhar Azad. Kaveri gets 5 points. Show the second, all other parts are shown. That very mustache is enough to identify. Chandrasekhar Azad. Question number 21, we pass on to. Question number 21. We have a long way to go. We have to go a little faster, I think. Question number 21. Listen to the question well. On that fateful day, 15th August 1947, when the whole nation celebrated and Pandit Nehru gave his tryst with destiny speech, where was Gandhiji? That was the question. Please, don't be in a hurry. Try to understand. That is 15th August 1947. Nehru gave the wonderful speech at 12 o'clock at night, 12 midnight, tryst with destiny. The whole nation was celebrating, but Gandhiji was not found. Where was he? Who stands next? Bhima. It is stands of Bhima. Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, Sabarmati Ashram. These are the four options.
Sir, option C,
Delhi.
Calcutta.
Pardon?
Option C, Calcutta.
Option C,
Calcutta.
Calcutta. Not very happy. Had you said Bombay, it was closer to Sabarmati Ashram. Had you said Delhi, where Nehru was hoisting the flag there only. Had you said Sabarmati Ashram, well, Gandhiji is very much associated with that. But she said Calcutta. Calcutta is the right answer. Calcutta is the right answer. I'll give you a bonus point for something. Listen, I'll give you a bonus point. The question, another question along with this. What was Gandhiji doing at Calcutta at that time? What was Gandhiji doing at Calcutta at that time? What was Gandhi? Why was he in Calcutta at that time? If you answer, you get a bonus point. Is it your chance?
He was with Muhammad Ali Jinnah, sir.
Pardon?
He was with Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
He was with Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I'm afraid your answer is not correct. Not correct. Any other answer? You will get another 3 points.
Mahatma Gandhi was very upset with the fact that India and Pakistan were partitioned. So he did not want to attend the function of independence. So he was in Calcutta.
So he
was in Calcutta instead of attending the function in Delhi.
not. The answer is too voluminous, not very correct. I cannot give a mark for that. Anyone else?
He was working with, he was engaged in
He was?
spinning wheel. He was making khadi.
Khadi. He used to do it every day. Why that day in Calcutta? He used to, no answer, one answer only. Next. Anyone else from audience? Anyone from audience? What was Gandhiji doing at the time? I told you this is a highly illuminating quiz. What was Gandhi doing at the time? Please understand, Gandhiji was on fast on that day. Gandhiji was on fast on that day. Why? Riots broke out in Calcutta between Hindus and Muslims. Between Hindus and Muslims, riots broke out. Riots. Gandhi was extremely unhappy about it. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was there, but she said, but that is not the answer. There riots broke out. And Gandhiji undertook fasting. In spite of persuasion from Nehru and many others, he went on fasting. That's why he was not there in Delhi. Otherwise, he would have been the first man in Delhi that day, while the Indian tricolor went up. and the British Union Jack came down. It was a wonderful situation. Gandhiji was on fast that day. I'm sorry, I cannot give any more to anyone. The mark goes to the quiz master. Okay. Next one. Next question, 23. Who had suggested that the INC should be wound up after the country was declared independent? INC is the Indian National Congress. Who suggested that the Indian National Congress should be wound up after the country was declared independent? But nobody listened to that advice. Who suggested? Next house? Bhima. No, sorry, Krishna. Who suggested that INC should be wound up? Wound up means it will be completely demolished.
Gandhiji. Gandhiji.
Don't say Gandhi. You should say D. Gandhiji.
Option D, Gandhiji.
Gandhi. Any other answer? Okay, Gandhiji is the correct answer. Gandhiji is the right answer. He had suggested that the organization he had built up should be dissolved. Once you get independence, what national movement after that? Gandhi had suggested, but it was not obeyed. Next question, 24. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of India's independence? At the time India became independent, who was the Prime Minister of Britain at that time? Who was the Prime Minister of Britain when India became independent? Your options are Lord Mountbatten, Lord Winston Churchill, Lord Attlee, Lord Macaulay. There are 4 options. Your time starts now.
Option C. Clement Attlee.
Clement
Attlee.
Excellent answer. He has added Clement also to it. That's the correct answer. Attlee was the Prime Minister of England at the time, UK at that time. In fact, the Prime Minister of England at that time, he signed it on 18 July. Okay. Next question, 24. I'm speeding up a little bit. Who is often called the Hindu Luther of North? It's a difficult question. Hindu Luther. You must have heard about Martin Luther King. Hindu Luther of Northern India. Who is often called the Hindu Luther of Northern India? Options are Dayananda Saraswati, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Keshav Chandra Sen, and Radhakant Dev, great Bengali luminaries. Who was called the Hindu Luther of Northern India? Your time has started already?
Option D.
Option
B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Option
B.
Name?
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Well, had you said Dayananda Saraswati, you would have gone wrong. Keshav Chandra Sen, also you would have gone wrong. Radhakant Dev, they all have done great job. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar also has done great job. several of Bengal's problems, status of Hindu, in fact he was at par with Rajaram Mohan Roy for Hindu widows remarriage was possible, he said. Kaveri House gets 5 points. It's the right answer. Every house have equal number of questions. Did every house get equal number of questions with Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? I have marked here 24, so 8, 3, 24, each house, no, 6, 4, 24, each house must have got 6 questions already. You see, unfortunately, it would have been a very interesting quest competition. Further, more interesting and difficult questions are waiting, but time does not wait for us. Already it is 11:35. I had promised the parents I will send the children home at 11:30. We are unable to continue with this further. So with this round, we will close down this quiz competition. I will announce what are the points of the 4 houses at this point after one more question. I'll ask you a final question. A final question will be asked. And the final question is question number 29. Question number 29. The picture shown below is associated with which movement or event of freedom struggle? Your options are 1. Your options are 1, this one. This is the one.
Sir.
Unfortunately, I could not ask a question from that. Yeah, you answer this one. Famous Lucknow Pact between Indian National Congress and the Muslim League was signed in the year. It's a year. Year is not here. Not here. It is not here. You could have shown the other one. It is much better. That is okay. It's okay. The voice is coming. There is a voice. Instead of asking this, those two became clear almost, so I didn't want to ask. Where is the voice? You listen. The voice could not be heard. Let me hear it. Yes. 4 freedom fighters are there. Their ethereal voice he played here. 4 of them. Just now it came. Just now it came. Very good.
हमने जो आज़ादी की लड़ाई छेड़ रखी है उसे तब तक जारी रखना होगा जब तक हमें मुकम्मल आज़ादी हासिल न हो।
The options are there. Options are there. Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and Lokmanya Tilak. Can you say in one voice? In one voice, that's the answer. No, you can't say. All in one voice. All in one voice. All in one voice.
Mahatma Gandhi.
All in one voice. Come on, say something.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Say something.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Come on.
Mahatma
tell us
Gandhi.
more, no?
Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
It is not Gandhiji's voice. It's the voice of Lokmanya Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It is his voice that we heard. Children, with this we close down today's quiz competition. My intention is so questions you can get. I must congratulate the house which get the maximum point. Their position is at present like this. Bhima 50, 21, Krishna 24, and Tungabhadra 30. Get the shield, I told you. This bright shining piece of silver goes to Tungabhadra house. Right. That's not the way. That is a hooligan way. Where from you learn all these things? This is the way to applaud someone. Who does it? Who does it? Delicious to all of you.